Cambodia is a mystical land, shaped by the forces of the monsoon and the mighty Mekong River. An ancient land, once ruled by a great empire, which thrived in walled cities, surrounded by temples and water. Life here is ruled by an unforgiving weather system. A dry season that sucks life from the land, and a wet season that floods the landscape. The ebb and flow of water which dominates this country has created some of the most unique ecosystems on the planet, from vast dry grasslands to forests submerged by swollen rivers. The extreme seasonal changes challenge all who live here. Everything has had to adapt in order to survive. Those that haven't have perished. But it's also because of these changes that this country has become one of the most biodiverse in the whole of Southeast Asia. Mega herbivores roam the jungles. Elusive cats stalk the grasslands. And reptiles lurk in murky waters. This is Cambodia, wild land of the monsoon.